Hello everyone, how are you? Big news from CBSE board that CBSE have been reduced the syllabus for class 9 to 12th. Today I am going to explain you about class 9th syllabus which was reduced by CBSE board. 30% of the syllabus have been reduced for all the from the classes 9 to 12th. In this video you learn that you are able to get a clear idea that so what are the topics have been reduced from I will explain from physics, chemistry, biology, next mathematics, English and social. In this video you learn you are able to know about class 9. Okay, so watch the video till the end. Let us go for the topic in detail. And this is my YouTube channel, and my channel name is Prashanth Physics. If you search my channel in YouTube, if you type Prashanth Physics, you will get my channel. So please subscribe to my channel and click a bell button. Then you will get all the notifications whenever I upload a new video in my YouTube channel. And if you like my video, just you give a like and share the video link to all your friends, so that it will be very helpful for the students, those who are preparing for physics. And for this is very important. The important topics which I upload in my channel is related to physics from class 6 to intermediate, and though this is also the important topics for regarding IIT, JEE and NEET level also. Fine. Now let us see here, coming to the physics. If you observe that the deleted portion, what are the deleted portion from physics? We know that total we have 5 chapters. So we will see what are those 5 chapters. If you observe, we have a motion, next force and laws of motion, gravitation, work, energy and power, and sound. So these are the 5 chapters. Now the topics which are deleted is from, see here, the flotation, motion, force and work. No, nothing is have been deleted. So from that, if you observe, flotation, and next thrust and pressure, Archimedes principle, beyond C, elementary idea of relative density. This concept was removed from your physics topic. Next, sound. So the sound, if you observe nature of sound, its propagation, various media, speed of sound, range, ultrasound, reflection of sound, echo and sonar, structure of human eye. If you observe here, entire chapter have been deleted. Okay, it was removed from CBSE board of class 9th. In the previous, we are doing many numericals from the sound, like echo, reflection of sound. So, but in board view, this chapter was removed. Now I will see here. Here you can observe motion. There was no change in the chapter. Next, force and laws of motion, no change. Basic parts. But very thing important is this force and laws of motion is very important, that you will get in mechanics in inter level, very important. And next, coming to the gravitation. So gravitation, if you observe Kepler's laws, you will learn all that, universal law of gravitation, basic formula, numericals, etc. All will learn that. And coming to the pressure concept, you know that like from the same here, like flotation, thrust and pressure, Archimedes principle, beyond C, elementary idea of relative density. This was removed, but important thing is this was very important in if you are preparing for JEE or NEET level. So these topics are very important, but for board, in board view, they have removed, so no problem. But you must concentrate on all the topics. So don't skip that. These are not important for board, but they are important for your IIT level, NEET level. Okay. Next, coming to the work, energy and power, there was no change, and this is also very important, which was related to the mechanics, which you will get in inter level and in IIT and JEE also. Next, NEET level. Next, sound chapter, it was completely removed. So if you observe the summary here, so first the 3 chapters, motion, there was no change. Newton's law of motion, work, energy and power, no reduction. But so in mechanics we will do many numericals on this chapter. Okay. Next, coming to the gravitation, if you observe, so 50% of the chapter concepts have been reducted from this gravitation. So we'll get in exam, you will get about the theory like gravitation laws, universal law of gravitation. So many theories are there. So you may get the question from that concept. So till now we have not get any question paper pattern. So if we get the pattern also, I will make another video on that. Now coming to the sound, you can observe that it was the complete chapter have been removed. So total 100% reduction I have given here. So this is all about physics. So all the best for your physics preparation. Okay, now coming to the chemistry. If you observe, so what are the deleted portions? So in theory part, if you observe, you are under matter, nature and behavior. So these are the topics have been removed. Matter and surroundings, definition of matter, solid, liquid and gas, characteristics like shape, volume, density, change of state, melting, absorption of heat, freezing, evaporation, cooling by evaporation, condensation and sublimation. So this is the deleted portion from your chemistry. Now let us discuss about the summary. If you observe here, we have total 4 chapters. So matter, nature and behavior. So I have explained that what are the topics have been removed. So that was removed. And next is we have is matter around is pure, atoms and molecules and structure of atom. So out of 4 chapters, 1 chapter have been removed. So next see here. So what are the topics have been removed from that chapter? Types of matter, its characteristics, properties. Next changes like melting, freezing, evaporation, condensation, etc. All that we have learned already. We learn in a matter, but now it was removed by the Cbse board. Next factors affecting evaporation, etc. So all these topics have been removed from the chemistry. Now coming to the biology. So let us discuss. So total we have 5 chapters in biology. If you observe organization in the living world, so some of the topics have been removed from even biology also. So here I have mentioned diversity in living organisms. So actually this is a very big and challenging chapter. And coming to the food production, improvement in food production, that was removed. Next the 3 chapters like cell, tissue, health and diseases. These are have been removed. They are not removed. They will be remain there. So 2 chapters have removed. So I will show you that what are the topics have removed. Diversity in living organisms. If you observe organization in the living world, okay, so that is your chapter, organization in the living world. First next, if you observe what are the topics removed, that diversity in living organisms like diversity of plants and animals, basic issues in scientific naming, basis of classification, hierarchy of categories or groups, major groups of plants, salient features like bacteria, okay, Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, gymnosperms and angiosperms, major groups of animals, salient features, non-chordates up to phyla and chordates up to classes. So these topics have been removed or deleted by Cbse board. Now let us discuss about the next. If you observe here, coming to the practicals, biology practicals, here if you observe the 5th and 6th, so actually these topics are from diversity. So we know that already the topic that was removed. So and along with that the practicals also have been removed. Now coming to this 7th one, if you observe here in the 7th one, actually this topic is some topic from diversity and as well as from tissue. So okay, no problem. So these are the about the topics which have removed by Cbse board regarding biology. Now let us discuss the next one. So next we'll have mathematics. So if you observe here, so these are the total chapter. Actually we have total chapters in Cbse class 9th maths. Now see the topics here. You can observe what are the topics have been removed. So from first unit, real numbers, so representation of terminating, non-terminating, recurring decimals on the number, so successive magnification, and the 3 topics. So from real numbers, these 3 topics have removed here. And next coming to the 2nd unit like algebra, you can observe here motivate and state the remainder theorem with examples, statement and proof of the factor theorem, it was also removed. And next so here you'll observe equation x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, so that is also removed. And next linear equations in 2 variables, like some examples are there, problems on ratio and proportion. So these topics have been removed by Cbse board. Okay, next. Now if you observe the next unit 3, coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry, there was no deletion, so you have to learn, it's very important, you have to learn the entire chapter. Next coming to the introduction four chapter like geometry, introduction to Euclid's geometry. So it was deleted. The chapter was deleted. And lines and angles, there is no deletion. Coming to the triangles, so two topics. So here you can observe that the proof of the theorem, like two triangles, like ASA congruence theorem. So topic, and this is another topic which was deleted from triangles. Next, coming to the quadrilaters, no deletion. So you have that will be remain there. You have to learn that. And next, area. So area chapter, that chapter has been removed. Okay, next it was removed there. Now coming to the circles. So you can observe here what are the topics have been removed from the circles. There is one and only one circle passing through the three given non-collinear points. This topic, and if a line segment joining 2 points subtends equal angle at two other points lying on the same side of the line containing the segment, the 4 points lie on a circle. This was also removed. Next, constructions. So construction of a triangle of given perimeter and base angles. It was removed. And now coming to the mensuration. If you observe in mensuration, areas, from areas, application of Heron's formula in finding the area of a quadrilateral. So it is also removed. Now surface areas and volume. So there is no deletion in this chapter. Okay, so you have to, from this topic you have to learn that surface areas and volumes completely. Next coming to the sixth chapter, statistics. So you can observe here histograms. Okay, frequency polygons, mean, median, mode of ungrouped data. So these topics have been removed from statics. Next, probability. There was no deletion. So you have to learn that probability also. Now, fine. Now coming to the next chapter, next subject, English. If you observe that in English, so here you are able to observe what are the deleted topics. So use of passive voice. Actually, in previously we have passive voice, okay, active voice. Okay, all these are, but now we don't have from grammar part. So uses of passive voice. Next, clauses, noun, adverb, condition and time relative. Prepositions also not there this time. Okay, now coming to the writing part, letter on a situation, descriptive paragraph on a place or an event. So this time you are not getting from writing part, letter on a situation and descriptive paragraph also. Now coming to the literature. Behave. Okay, actually it's your textbook. So it's a very big change we can observe from ninth textbook, that the lake as well of Innisfree and Innisfree. Next, the snake and the mirror, the duck and the kangaroo, Kathmandu, a slumber did my spirit still. So these 5 chapters have been removed. Okay, next coming to your supplementary reader, like Aishwaran the storyteller, next the accidental tourist. So these two topics, these two chapters have been removed from English. Next, coming to the next chapter, next subject is social science. So let us discuss what are the topics have been removed from social science. Now, if you observe here, so the thing we observe in social is, so from all the parts like history, geography, economy, and polity. So some of the topics have been from all the topics it has covered. Some topics have been removed. So from all the parts. So if you observe in deleted portion, section 2 from first chapter, livelihoods, economies, and societies. So next here, note any one of the 2 chapters. Chapter 4, forest and society. And from this, so complete section, both the chapters. So this entire thing have been deleted. Next, coming to the next one, this is from history, and if you observe from geography, drainage, the complete chapter, here the drainage, so this chapter, complete chapter have been deleted, but from this, except for map items, so map pointing you may get from this chapter, so except map pointing, so the complete chapter have been removed. Next, coming to the population, so population, so that is the chapter, it is also a very easy and small chapter. But this time the total complete chapter have been removed. Now coming to the political science, if you observe constitutional design, like democratic constitution in South Africa, only that topic have been removed. Next, democratic rights, complete chapter, the complete chapter have removed from this time. Next, economy, if you observe food security in India, so complete chapter, this is also complete chapter from economy, it have been removed. Okay, thank you. I hope you have understood that what are the topics have been removed from 9th class. And next I am going to make a video on 10th as well as 11th and 12th also. So wait for the videos, soon I will upload. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel Prashanth Physics. Click on the bell button